Ah,
Hey,
Yes,
boss,
yes, Ashley.
what do you think about this customer did the brake caliper at home and now he's damaged it? What do you think about that?
Actually, some people are stupid, you know. If you have a car for 8,000 or 10,000, why you don't spend 100 pound in garage and you repair your car? Because when you try at home and you damage, maybe you spend after that 1,000.
Exactly.
There's no point, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
But the people are stupid, yeah. I don't give any person advice that he try at home something to do is not a good idea. You know, is a bad
definitely,
idea.
for
Need
sure.
to become in garage just to spend 50 pound, 100 pound repair
Get
the
it
car.
done properly.
That exactly, and it's a
Exactly.
proper job, you know.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
No, for sure. Definitely.
Look, this is a good customer. Is our good customer. For any small thing, he come in garage.
Yeah.
He never say I change bulb at home. He come in garage, yeah.
Yeah.
And
that's
now we are changing the cam belt water pump for this GTDI, yeah.
it. Yeah,
Is
that's
the
it.
Golf, yeah.
That's the right way to do it, eh?
Yeah,
For sure.
exactly.
Definitely, definitely.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.